Hey there, this is Tristan Schmidt here to go through the assignment for this week. So here's my very basic digital asset here. I wanted to do more with it, but I didn't really find the time. But I have four basic platforms here. I have all the parameters pulled out of it, like the box size and box position. And then in a Unity project here, I have imported it in right here. So we can drag and drop that into the scene, and now it is within the scene. So that all works great. And then, of course, that is a 3D one. And for the other part of this, on the other project, I had been doing this in a 2D scene. So I'm going to have to do the same thing again in this 3D scene, but I've already done it here in the 2D project. So on the player, I have the character side scroller script, and that works fine. And then I've been trying to use other scripts, mono events behavior, which I think I need to use trigger events behavior instead, because I made a game action for treasure get for when it receives this treasure item here. And so on the treasure item, I have this script on. I've been messing around with that. I haven't quite gotten it to work yet. I think I need to use trigger events behavior instead. But if I hit play here, I don't know if it'll let me play with the null referenced exception. It might. But I tested out the script before and it had worked fine. As you can see, I have the rigid bodies and the box collider on the player and on the platform, so it can move around on that just fine. And I'm not really sure how this will work in a 3D because I think we'll have to use a different script, but I'll be messing around with that. So yeah, so I've got everything set up. I just kind of have to move the HDA file onto the correct Unity project, and then I can go from there and start putting details in. But I have the basic structure in. So yeah, so that's all for now, and I'll see you in the next one.